This is the Convergence. I'm Lauren Hoque Zafer.
And I'm Faisal.
Now, here's the paradox we keep circling. AI is being adopted faster than almost any tool in workplace history and resisted harder than almost any tool in workplace history.
But imagine if you're an organization that has thousands of people or even hundreds of people across the globe. There's an institutional knowledge base that exists within the organization that are embedded in each of those people. So replacing that knowledge with AI is not so simple, right? Because they're the people who knows local customer. They're the people who knows how to craft messaging to go out after a particular market segment. Introduction of a new product, right? So it's not, making a wholesale statement and you're a tech company that has 50, 60, 100, 200 people. That's easier than, let's say, if you're dealing with somebody like JP Morgan, or let's say we're dealing with Home Depot. And you saw that a lot of these larger enterprises, they actually hired back a lot of the people that they laid off to make up for the institutional knowledge that they lost, right? So it may be easier for some of the tech companies, especially the smaller tech companies, but that is not the whole pie of the global economy. That's a very small segment of the economy. So you have to almost look at it from that point of view as well. It's not binary. It's not yes or no. There's lots of nuances. How do you establish the right culture?
I definitely don't think it is binary either. I think there's a lot of facts that would constitute to maybe the impact of replacing the human element.
So when we talk about doing this diagnosis of the cultural element of an organization, we're really talking about that lived experience. And do people have the psychological safety to do the actual experimentation and learning versus just wholesale change like we're talking about?